Let's make an iron butterfly on the SPY. Now, iron butterfly is a neutral option strategy. It's pretty similar to an iron condor, except despite its name being a butterfly versus condor, the butterfly is more aggressive. You'll get a higher reward, but also a higher potential max loss. It tries to pin the future price at an exact price, and as you move away from it, it quickly approaches the loss zone. So right now, SPY is trading at $660. Today is the 18th, November 18th, 2025. We'll click trade options, and we're going to pick, today's the 18th, we're going to pick 2 days to expiration. So we'll pick on November 20th. And to construct this butterfly, I'll start with selling the body. So we're around 660, so let's just pick that. 660 is the middle of this butterfly. So we're going to sell a call, that's our short call. Switch to puts, sell our short put at the same price, 660. And we're going to buy the wings. So I'll scroll down, and you'll see this thing saying to break even. Let's try 3.5%. Let's try that. So we'll click on buying that long put down at the bottom. I'll click on share price to bring us back to the middle. Switch to calls, and we'll do the opposite. We'll scroll up to about 3.5%. We'll buy that wing. And what does it look like? Roughly 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I like that. You can see our break-even points. Max profit, if it stayed at 660, we'd make about $1,000. If it went away from us, max loss is a little over $1,000. Let's click continue. And we can see our chart here. You can hold down and scroll up. So the SPY price would have to move up 1.6% to break even. It would have to move down 1.5% to break even. Okay, and then about a minute passed and then it executed. So we now have opened up an iron butterfly on the SPY. Right now it's trading around $660. Average credit was $10.37 times 100. We see our break-even prices are at around $650 and $670. So we have some wiggle room for this to move up $10 a share or down $10 a share, and we'll still be in the profit zone. Open today on the 18th, expires in 2 days. Simulate my returns. So if everything stays the same, pinned at our 660 price, we will make our max profit at expiration. And if this goes up in price, we start to lose. So we have 1.6%. If it goes up, if it stays below that, we're good. If it drops, we'll see our profit goes down, and it can move down about 1.5%. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more things like this, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.